Welcome to A Minute of Wisdom. Today we're talking about character and success. Have you ever heard of Jim Collins? He's a thought leader who said, "Efficiency is not possible without discipline, and discipline is not possible without character." Consider that for a moment. We often chase success, but true wisdom isn't found in that pursuit. It's formed in the crucible of character development. It's the grit, the determination, the resilience that shapes us. Remember, it's not the accolades or the victories that define us. It's the discipline we cultivate, the character we build. Because without character, there can be no discipline. And without discipline, there can be no true efficiency. So focus on character. The success will follow. Because as Jim Collins reminds us, efficiency is not possible without discipline, and discipline is not possible without character. Until next time, keep building character and watch as success finds its way to you.